Hi everyone. Now we can see Facebook clone using MERN stack. In this we are using MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js. For JavaScript function, we are using TypeScript. Now we can check our coding part. I am using VS Code. If you want, you can choose another IDE. Basically, in this we have two modules. One is backend and another one is frontend. For backend, we are using Express.js and Node.js. For database, MongoDB. Now we can see our backend. In backend, we created the MongoDB URL, secret code, port number, and env. This we linked in our server.js. In backend, we have three modules. One is controller, and another one is models, and another one is routes. Now we can see our models. This database schema for users. In this username and password, we can create. And another one is role is there. User and admin, 2 parts. And another one is post model. In this we can post our text and like comment like this we can create. And another one is front request module. In this we can give one person to another one person request. First default is bending. If user is accepted our friend request, it will make friend, or else we can give reject. If we give reject, it will delete. For that we have controllers, user controllers. In this we validate our registers and login users and log out. We can control our users. For authentication, we are using JWS token. Username used to, we can search and we can find our friends, and we can change our file images. Like this, we have controller for users and post controller. In this, we can create our post and we can save. Like that, we have controllers. And also, if we want, we can update our posts, and also we can delete. Like that, we have controllers. Another one is post controller. In this, we can create post, we can update, and we can edit, and we can delete, and we can like that. We have controllers. Now we can go to friend request controller. In this, we are controlling create friend request, accept friend request, and delete friend request. Like that, we are controlling our friend request controller. And we have routes. In this, we are routing auth register, login, logout, search, and username by users, the user ID by users, and profile images, and post, and like, and comment. We have like this, we have routers, everything we are routed in our server.js. In this, we have controlling our middle wires. This for database schema. Like this, our backend is running. Now we can see our front end. In front end, we are using TypeScript with React.js. So in this, we have components inside. We have header, post, we can post, with profile picture, and friend request delete. Like that, we have functions, and also we have pages, home page, login page, and register page. and church page, church result page, and user details page. Like this we have. Now we can run our both servers. This backend running command is npm start. Our server is running on port number 5000 and MongoDB was successfully connected. This is our front end. Now we can open CD client. Now we can run this server npm start. This front end running command. Our scripts are running. In this we are using MongoDB. We have Facebook database inside. We have 3 tables. One is users and another one is post and another one is friend request. Every details we are stored in our MongoDB. Our local host is running on 3000. Now we can create our account. The username user1, password. Like this we can create. If we create, it will store our database. User1 was stored. Now we can log in. User and password. This is our home page of Facebook clone. In this we can update our profile picture. We can copy from your image URL from Google. Like this we can copy. We need to paste our change image URL place. So now our profile image was successfully updated. In this we can our post. Our post was created successfully. And we can check our friend request and our friends. In this no friend request. Now we will create another one user. User2 like this. We can log in user2 and password. Is another one user. And we can search our user. In this we can give friend request and we can like our post and also we can comment. User2 was commented in user1 post. Now we can log in our user1. Now we can check friend request. User2 is give the friend request. In database we stored our post before it is a post and another one is comment. It also stored our database. Now we can check our friend request. And friend request is pending. If we accept, in this our friend request in friends, it will increase our friends. If we give decline, it will delete. and user 2 has now posted, and user 2 is your friend. Like this it will work. Thank you.